In this video, let's talk about how we can upload video using the new stream on SharePoint. There's a lot of ways to upload video, like there's a lot of ways to do everything in Microsoft 365. You can upload a video just using your OneDrive account, or you can upload a video directly to any SharePoint folder if you want. But I want to show you how to navigate to the Stream landing page and use the upload functionality on the Stream web app. So to get to Stream, we can either go to stream.office.com, or if you're on the Office homepage like I am, you can simply click the little waffle icon right here at the top, and then you can go to the Stream icon right there, and this will take you to the new Stream on SharePoint, also just stream.office.com. So if we go to this webpage, there's two ways that you can upload video. You can simply drag and drop onto this webpage, just like any other website, or the upload button is conveniently tucked right here along the right-hand side of this menu across the top. So we can click upload and we can navigate to that location on our computer and upload the file. I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop this video. It's just a simple video that I recorded using QuickTime on my MacBook. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to drop it right onto the website, and we see that it's now uploading to OneDrive. So now that this file is uploaded, it's going to automatically take me to the new Stream web app player so that I can adjust settings for this particular video. So you see I've got the video loaded up right here. It's got a name, so I can give it another name if I want to and just call it like Stream Demo, like that. And then I can hit the little check mark right here to save that title. Same thing with the description. This is my cool Stream Demo video. And a little bit different than Stream Classic, we have the ability to make things bold, italicized, underlined. We can do bulleted lists, numbered lists, insert links, things like that. So you have more rich text that you can use to craft your great video description. Over here along the side, we have the ability to add comments and see our comments on the video. But in the middle, we have the video settings right here. So if we open this up, we've got a few options available to us. We can adjust the thumbnail. We can turn on or off the About This Video section. We can generate a transcript, chapters, turn on or off comments, and then use noise suppression. So I've got a thumbnail for this. I'm not really a fan of the thumbnail that it generated for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click the little arrow next to the thumbnail, and then we're going to click this upload button right here. So we're going to click on that, and then we can go to my desktop right here, and there's my little thumbnail. I can click open, and now I've uploaded that particular thumbnail. One key is you have to click the done button in order to save changes to your thumbnail. So we've got that saved. Now I've got a great thumbnail, a great description, title. The next thing I want to do is turn on the transcript. You can generate a transcript right here in the middle by clicking the big red generate button. And I'm going to select what language the video is spoken in. I spoke English and I'm from the United States. So I'm going to click generate right here. And then that's going to work in the background and grab the transcript. I'm going to do a whole nother video about transcript and captioning, how you edit those and things like that. But that's how you just get it going. And then down here a little bit lower, I can turn on or off the chapters. Again, I'm going to have a video all about chapters, but you can turn it on or off in the video settings right there. And then if I was recording this video in like a loud coffee shop or something that had a lot of background noise, I could turn on this noise suppression if I wanted to, and it would kind of like lower the background noise and make my voice project forward in the video itself. So now I've got these settings kind of all ready to go. If I refresh the page, then you can see it's got that new thumbnail with the different text and all of that, and the transcript is being worked on. Okay, so two more things that you may want to do with your freshly uploaded file. Your files, if you use the upload button or if you drag and drop onto the Stream web app, they'll be located in your OneDrive location in your documents folder. And that might be great. You can just upload it right there, share it, and that's no problem. But if you want to choose a different location, you can certainly do that using this Move To button. So whenever I select that, I can move it to another location on my OneDrive. It defaults to showing my OneDrive, or I can even choose another Office 365 group or a SharePoint site that I have access to. I can also choose one of those. So if I want to upload this to a channel, I can click Office 365 Adoption, my Teams Tip Tuesday folder, and I can move it to that location by clicking Move Here, and it just moves it over to SharePoint. So that's how you move and like relocate your file that's freshly uploaded. The other thing that we can do is generate a sharing link, and we have a few options available at this share button in the top right corner. If we click on this share button, you can see that we have just a simple sharing mechanism, the same as the rest of OneDrive and SharePoint. I come up here, I have my default for my organization, so people in Contoso. I can upgrade that if I want to anyone with a link, or I can move that down and choose specific people that I want to give access to. I can choose whether or not they can edit the file or if they can only view the file. If I choose to they can only view the file, then I can also turn on the block download feature, and now they can watch the video, but they can't go download it from my OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then I can just copy that link, send it over to Yammer, email it to somebody, post it in Teams, do whatever I'd like. The other options I have for sharing under this little menu at the top is I can copy a link to the current time. If I click on that, it's the same type of sharing menu, but when people open that link, it will start wherever my playhead is set to. So if I want to start at 11 seconds in, I simply go to 11 seconds in the video, click share, and then copy link at current time. And now that will open up at 11 seconds in. Finally, the last option that I want to show you with sharing is if you have the need to put a stream video on another website, like on some other HTML web page, you can get what's called an embed code. And this is an iframe, HTML iframe, where you can embed this in another location if you don't need it to go to Office 365. Again, you have some options here. So you can start from a specific place in time. So I can start at 11 seconds. I can click right there and it will jump to that 11-second mark. I can change the size if I want to for like how big the video renders. I can choose to autoplay the video. I can make it responsive to different screen sizes and shapes. And I can show or hide the title. And you see that like now it's not showing the title. If I turn that on, it starts showing the title again. I adjust my settings, and then at the bottom right here, I can just copy that embed code, go onto that other website, and embed that video right in place. So that's the basics for uploading a video in the new stream on SharePoint. Again, you can upload video just using any OneDrive folder or SharePoint folder, but this is how you do it using the web app.